Tired of the same old channels and limited streaming options? Let's expand your entertainment universe by installing Magis TV on your Samsung Smart TV. Keep in mind Magis TV is not in the App Store. First, you'll need to download the Magis TV app file onto a USB drive using your computer. Ensure the USB is FAT3 formatted. Search Magis TV app download and choose a reputable source to avoid potential malware. Once downloaded, insert the USB drive into your TV. Use your remote to access the source or input menu. Select the USB drive from the options. Locate the Magis TV APK file. To continue with this installation, make sure that unknown sources is enabled on your TV. Select the Magis TV app file. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the application. After installation, the Magis TV app icon will be on your home screen. Select it to launch the app. Enter your Magis TV credentials. You're ready to experience a world of new content. Enjoy!